Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Arith Mohenyo, your friendly teacher from the Philippines. And for today's video, I will share with you first-time J1 teacher tip number 2, the packing list. What's in your luggage? Essentials and not essential to bring. So, if you appreciate the videos that I'm making, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. And if you think that this video is informative, please hit the like button and the notification bell. So, number 1 in my list, hope I should know the first time I go to the US, is medication. So, I know that there's Tylenol and a lot of medications and medicines in the US, but if you're not used to that, if I were you, I will bring Biogesic, BioFlu, or whatever medicine that you are taking, especially if you have maintenance. It's really hard to have an appointment with a doctor, especially if you don't have public insurance. I'm telling you, please remember that. Number 2 is pedicure and manicure set, because they will just clean up your nails, but if you have ingrown, I'm telling you, it's really hard. And they don't have the cuticle remover. So if I were you, I will bring manicure and pedicure set. Number 3 is, of course, we are used to use efficacent oil, Omega, Lola Remedios. Please bring that, because that is very essential and very useful, because you can't find. You can only find that in Asian store, but it's really expensive. So please bring that. Number 4, which is really very, very important, is your national costume. Filipiniana, Barong Tagalog, because if you are an international teacher, J1, it is a must to have presented J1 cultural presentation every year, not only Philippine costume but Philippine stuff, because most of us international teachers have decorated a room with like Philippine corner. So bring any Philippine stuff like pamaypay or whatever, just bring any decorations, flags or whatever, so you know that. And number 5 in my list is formal clothes. Before, I brought a lot, but I didn't use it because I found essentials and then stylish, gorgeous, but cheap clothing and uniforms. Please don't bring your DepEd uniform, because you can't even use that. And also a pair of shoes, formal shoes, and rubber shoes. You don't need to bring a lot, because you can find stylish and branded stuff in the US. I remember the first time I went to the US, I really brought a lot, like everything in my closet. But again, I'm telling you, don't. Just bring at least 2 weeks formal clothing, because there's no uniform in the US, and a pair of formal shoes and rubber shoes. Yes, so please don't bring those stuff. It's like you want to bring everything, so you can really find more elegant and stylish and cheap stuff in the US. So then after that, what else? Winter clothes. Do you need to bring winter clothes? You know, I have some friends who really went to ukay just to buy coat and then winter shoes. No, don't even go there, and don't even buy, because during summer you can find elegant, more stylish, beautiful, and cheaper, of course, in the US, because it's summer. My favorite stores where I always buy my beautiful clothes, number 1 is Burlington, number 2 TJ Maxx, number 3 of course Walmart, Ross, and then Target Mall. So you can find. So when you go to the US this June or August, you can find, because there are lots of sale, and just go to the mall and then find one, because you can save up space for your winter clothes. And then for personal stuff, what do I mean by personal stuff? Like, because I'm using Skin White Papaya Milk Lotion, because, you know, you look at my color. And then also, papaya soap, kojic soap. If I only knew that I cannot find, you can find in Asian store, but it's really expensive. So, what else? Lotion, but everything that you think you cannot find in the US. And then What else? Because I'm married and I have family, you know, my son's favorite is sinigang. So I brought sinigang mix, magic sarap, reno, bagoong, noodles or pancit canton, and everything that you need. Your favorite food. So please do not forget. So again, one in my list is medication, 2 pedicure manicure set, efficacent oil, omega, Lola Remedios, national clothing, pair of shoes and rubber shoes, then formal clothes just for 2 weeks. Don't bring your DepEd clothes, and then don't bring winter clothes, and then don't go to ukay-ukay, and then your personal stuff. So I hope that this video, if I only knew this before, I will never bring my closet and